So we just said goodbye to the diesel truck. It got left at the Fire Station 21, Phoenix Fire Department. Couldn't have gone to a better person.
It's officially gone, so looks like we're gonna be headed home and booking a flight 2,000 miles away. I'm not gonna tell you where we're going. Well, I'm going. Tiffany's gonna be staying home with the fur babies. 2,000 miles away. One-way ticket. Gonna be picking up something really big, and we have a second surprise for the channel that will actually be going along with our new rig. So we will probably be putting a series together for our new Expedition build. So we're headed home. We're gonna book a flight. We're gonna actually buy some parts to pick up on the drive back from picking up the truck. So make a couple phone calls, schedule some flights, and you guys are gonna see what our new rig's gonna be at the end of this video.
You guys are in for a real treat, and we're in for a real treat because this has been the build that we have been eyeballing for, I think, years now. I think it was just a matter of figuring out exactly what combo of camper and truck we're gonna do, but stay tuned. You'll be pretty shocked yourselves. So got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, we've been talking seriously about this build for probably a year. It's kind of evolved. It started out as more of a military build, and we just wanted something that was more consumer friendly instead of like industrial. So I think we found the perfect setup for what we're looking for.
And some of the military builds that we got to look and experience at the Overland Expo in Flagstaff this year, we noticed that the comfort level of the inside of the cab of a lot of these vehicles just isn't quite there for us. And while I don't mind a little bit of rugged and rough off-roading, we do like to drive in comfort. For example, we had a 13-hour drive out to the Rubicon Trail, and it was really nice to have the comfort of our Ford truck. So that's what we're aiming for, is comfort, enough ruggedness to it. It can off-road, it's got to be a 4x4, and it's got to be able to fit what we think is a pretty large camper on the back. So yeah.
Alright guys, we just landed in Michigan, in Marquette. Brandon's about to get here with the truck. We're gonna check everything out, take it for a test drive, take it to the bank, pay the man, and then we are headed 6 hours from here to make our first stop in Wisconsin to pick up something for the truck. And we're gonna continue on our 30-hour trip all the way back to Arizona. All right guys, he's pulling up right now. Let's do a little reaction video since I haven't seen it in person. It is fucking cold here. Excuse my language, but goddamn. I brought warm clothes, but I didn't expect it to be this cold. So he's pulling up right now. I mean, it's big, but I expected it to be big. So what we actually ended up purchasing is a 2008 Chevy Kodiak C4500 6.6 Duramax diesel, 4-wheel drive. guys, so we are officially on our way. I'm definitely excited that I'm grabbing tires on the way home. They're not getting installed, but man, this thing on the 46s, I think I need to take some PSI out. It is bumpy and it is tall. So after driving it a couple hundred miles already, I definitely want to take the lift off and the tires smaller down to the 41s for sure. We're in Wisconsin, so we're gonna keep moving. Stopping to get some gas. It was dark last night, but we stopped at Stas Works and got 5 335 80/20s 41s, and he gave me a 46-inch spare, so that actually really helped settle the truck down with a little bit more weight. So we're gonna be getting these mounted up on these bead locks, getting that lift taken off. This thing's a beast. We're almost to Kansas City. We're making some pretty good time. So yeah, truck's awesome. Definitely want to take the lift off and the 41s. It's too big, but truck's running great. Well, this is not how I saw my trip going. Shit happens. I'm okay. Alright guys, so it's the next day. The truck got its inspection and diag. Looks like getting codes for all the injectors. So it's rare that all the injectors would go out at once. Did put some bad fuel in it, so we think, but it does start up and run, so we're actually gonna have this shipped home. I'm gonna fly home today. I need to get home and get back to work, running the gym, but hotshot driver is gonna be here today or tomorrow to pick it up. I'm getting on a flight and gonna be headed back to Arizona. Still super excited about this build. Gonna go through it, make it better than new, and gonna bring you guys along the way. Luckily I had the truck towed to this Donovan Truck Center, and my hotel is right next door, and the airport is actually right across the street. There was a Walmart right across the street as well, so it was good. I could get food yesterday, and I'll be able to get right to the airport today, no problem. All right, guys, it is finally here. Long awaited. It's Tuesday, but we're gonna get it unloaded. We got parts on order. We got to go through it, get the lift taken off, get the smaller tires on, figure out what's going on with it. We have tons of parts on order, but super excited to have this here finally. Yep, just straight back. You're good. Straight back. Just as I left it.
A mess?
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Leave it right here for now.
Okay.
Is it bigger than you thought?
It's about what I
or
thought.
did you? I mean, I know
Definitely
I told you
what I
it was
thought.
gonna be big,
Yeah.
but I mean it's big. We're gonna see what the Jeep looks like next to this thing. Fills my frame. Size,
on the Jeep.
size doesn't matter. Yeah, right? We should. All right, guys, now that we've had the truck home for a few days and we've been able to actually go through it, we found a few more things that it needs. We're gonna order a new turbo, a new master cylinder. We got a little bit of a brake leak. We're gonna get our steering gearbox rebuilt. It looks like it's sweeping a little bit, not too bad. We're gonna redo the whole interior, new seats, reupholstering the headliner. We're obviously taking the lift off. We already have tires, all new power steering lines. I already have those. So we got parts on order. Just gonna wait for those to get here, and all those videos will be coming soon. All the repairs, all the upgrades. We're gonna document all of that on the channel. Having a little fun today. Threw the Jeep up on the trailer just to see what it would look like with the truck this height. And there's one last piece of the puzzle that we haven't showed you guys yet, and that's this 99 Lance camper. That's gonna be going on the flatbed of the Kodiak. There will be tons of videos coming soon on the interior remodel of this. We don't know what we're doing on the exterior of this and the Kodiak. We would like them to match, so it looks like one unit, but this is gonna fit perfectly on the Kodiak. If you guys like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to show your support, hit that like button. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. Later, guys.